Hello, Gaurav. So, observe guys. Yeah, all of you please start recording. So, first one is user defined framework, or we are specifying it as a keyword driven framework. So, observe here any word used as a key to the script line or a reserved word used to identify the script lines to call. In this approach, we can use in this data driven framework we are doing. So here actually what is the data driven framework means we are generating some scripts. Okay, for that we are using some keyword, we are providing some keyword. Okay, if we call that keywords, total script will be executed. Okay, if we call the keyword, total script will be executed. Okay, so like for example here I just created some scripts and I just assign a order B is a keyword. When I call order B, total script will be executed. Under the order B, what is the script is there, everything will be executed. So in this approach we are doing that one, right? So in this we are using keywords. Okay, so keywords to prepare test. Observe any word used as a key to a script line or a reserved word used to identify the script line step. In the data driven framework we can do. So this is one approach. In this approach we can use keywords for preparing test. So to preparing test, how we are using means first we need to create tests and make them as functions and call them. Okay, and make them as functions and call them. Okay, so observe, in order to create, store, manage, organize all project files, before going to discuss the keyword driven framework, how to create a folder structure. Okay, why we are creating folder structure? In order to manage, store, organize all the project files, we require well-defined folder structure. Okay, it's a mandatory element. Okay, so here folder structure means what? For example, here I am going to create a folder with the name of whatever the project name is there. With the project name I am going to create a folder. So under the folder we need to create 6 subfolders. Like what? Test data and requirement, object repository, functional library, and environment, test script and test log. So what type of information is stored? Everything I will explain you clearly before that. So normally also we can able to create folder, but here we access the automation tester, right? So automatically only we need to create a folder. Okay, automation, by using automation only we need to create a folder. How means? By using FSO, file system object method. Okay, so create a folder structure with the help of FSO, file system object method.
Sirisha, sorry to interrupt. You already finished this yesterday, Sirisha.
Oh, I already finished this one, huh?
Yeah, you finished it yesterday. Hybrid only you were about to do.
Okay, okay. Hybrid only I just gave assignment, I think. Sorry.
I
Thank you
thought
so
you were
much.
doing it for Gaurav's, the reason he wasn't here. So I just thought you were.
Gaurav got the recording first, huh?
Oh, okay.
Okay, sorry, I just finished this one. So okay, that's fine. So next, parameterized value. Okay. So parameterized value means what? Observe. Passing the values from other location to the script line, we have called parameterized value, right? So how many ways of parameterization values are there? Okay, like first one is data table parameterization value, environment, looping statement, random number. So data table parameterization value we are already done, right? So we are placing the data in data table. Okay, how we are passing the data from data table to the script line, we are already done, right or not? Okay, how we are passing the data from other location to the script line, we are already done, right or not? After that, looping statement also we finished. So from externally we are getting the data. Okay, that concept also we just finished. After that, environment. So like right now only, like when we discuss user defined, on that time only we just discuss environment. Okay, so random number. Right now we are going to discuss about the random number parameterization. So what is meant by the random number parameterization? How the workflow process means, observe here. Here my task is I want to open an order randomly. Okay, so order numbers are there, right? Okay, I want to open list of orders randomly. It's not a serially. I want to open the orders randomly. Like how the work will be process means, I will explain it clearly. First of all, hit the record button. Okay, so observe, go to file, open order. I want to open the order, so that related script I am generating. Okay, stop it. Here I want to open the orders numbers randomly. How? Means for that we don't do the parameterization. I mean normal parameterization. If it is normal parameterization means serially it is opening, right? Like whatever the specific numbers we are giving, that specific numbers only going to open. But here we don't know. We want random numbers. Okay, for that what we are doing is observe. Go to tools, data driven. Random numbers, order number only I want to parameterize, right? So parameterize step by step parameterization. I want step by step parameterization. Okay, so after that, here we need to add random numbers. So then it is asking range. What is the range between? Like 1 to 10, 100 to 10, like that. Okay, so I want to display 1 to 20 random numbers. So of course, instead of everything, in the syntax we can specify it as a set random number between the range, like 1 to 10 or something else. Okay, finish it. Just click on OK. Observe, here it is set random number 1 to 20. Like that, in easy way we can able to set it also. Okay, so right now I am hitting the run button. So order number 1 it is coming, right? So then again I am going to hit the run button. Just observe in this situation what happens. Which order number is picking? We don't know exactly what is the random number it is going to pick. Okay, order number 5, right now. Okay, so like that randomly it is displaying, not a serially, randomly it is displaying. So again I am going to hit the run button. Right? So like that we can do the random number parameterization. Clear it is? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next we can go ahead with the batch testing. So batch testing means what? How the actually process means. For example, here I want to execute the script. Okay, so I want to execute 2 or 3 module script at a time. Okay, I want to execute 2 or 3 module script at a time. So means it is used to execute group of related projects or technology based projects at a time. Okay, so it is used to execute group of related projects or technology based projects at a time, group of related modules or technology based projects at a time in qtp. So observe here, actually we are not doing this one as domain experts, right? Test managers, right? So they are only doing, they just come one time, they are going to test all the technology and module based projects at a time in qtp, right? So observe, for that qtp is providing one separate tool that is called test batch runner. Okay, so what is the use of test batch runner? Okay, it is by using this one we can able to execute the script in different, okay, different module and different technology based projects at a time. So, for example, just assume we are having Java technology based projects. It is divided into 3 modules. After that, we are having .NET technology based projects. It is divided into 2 modules. Just assume. So, right now I want to execute these 2 technology based projects. Different modules are there in these 2 technology. So, all the modules, all the technologies I want to execute in one time. How we can able to execute? Means by using test batch runner. Okay, so right now just observe how we are going to get the test batch runner. Means go to start, all programs, quick test professional is there. Under that observe tools, here it is the test batch runner. Okay, so here it is the test batch runner. Right now I am going to add. Okay, so go to batch, add. So which one you want to add? In a desktop, batch is there, right? So here, first of all, I want to add the .NET. Like that, how many technology based projects you want to execute? You just add it. First of all, you just add it over there. I want .NET after that. Okay, like that I just added. After that, observe, go to batch, hit the run button. Okay, just observe both in a QTP, both first of all it is going to execute Java, right? In Java 3 modules are there. After finishing this one, next it is going to execute remaining ones. Just observe. So right now it is executing .NET, right? So observe, is it executed everything right? So like that, if you want to execute the group of technology based projects, group of modules at a time, then we can go ahead with the batch testing. Actually, we are not doing this type of testing, whereas quality assurance people are there, they are only doing this type of testing. Okay, so this is what about batch testing. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
So right now we are going to discuss right now we are going to discuss about the regular expressions. So regular expression is how the it will be processed in the sense. Okay, so regular expressions means what? For example, my task is observe. So here my task is open the list of orders like 5789 and send these orders to fax, and the default fax number is this one. Okay, and the default fax number is this one. So here I am giving a task, this one. So guys, how you are going to do? How you are doing? Any ideas? Are you have any idea? I'm asking you.
No, Sirisha.
So yeah. So here it is the task. Open the list of orders like 5789 and send these orders to the fax, and default fax number is this one. So first of all, if you want to open the list of orders, what you are doing? Like 5789, like list of orders I want to open here. What we are doing?
Order number, right?
What? I can't hear you.
Have to open.
We have to open the application.
Okay, that's fine. Yes, we need to open the application. So we need to do parameterization. If you want to go ahead with the list of orders number, first we need to do parameterization, right or not? So here I want to open a list of order number. First of all, I'm going to hit the record button. So go to file, open order number.
5.
Okay, and send this fax, right? Send these orders to the fax, and default fax number is this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right, fax sent successfully. So here my task is I want to open a list of orders. We need to do parameterization, right or not? Okay. So we need to do parameterization. So I'm changing this one to the orders. Okay. So what is the, as per the requirement, which orders we need to open? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right?
5,
5,
7.
7, 8, 9.
Okay. So I just selected that one, and we need to do parameterization. So go to tools, data driven, right? So orders numbers we need to parameterize, right? So parameterize all, parameterize option, orders. So like that we can able to do, right? So observe here. Right now I'm trying to hit the run button. So just see what happens. Okay. So here it is, fax order number 5. But here it gives an error. Why? Because here it is captured fax order number 7. Okay. So here it is having fax order number 5 data. So mismatch, right? Properties and values mismatch is there. So it is keep on searching and finally it gives an error. Like what? Observe. What type of error it is? Cannot find this object name, right?
Ask.
So, right, so actually a fax order number 5 for fax order number 7 title is not there here. Fax order number 5 title is not there. 7 only there. So actually here is it is the fax order number 5. Here, observe, here we having an issue with the fax order number title. So give me a second, guys. Sorry, guys. Really sorry. So here, what happened? Here we are captured in fax order number 7. Here it is displaying is fax order number 5. Means here it is. What happened? Here it is. The title is regularly changing, right? So here it is the issue with the fax order number title. Depending upon order number, the fax order number title is keep on changing, right? Right or not? So observe, in application, there is interlink between open order and fax order number title. Basing upon open order number, fax order number title is getting changed. Okay. So means what is the problem over there is during the execution time of QTP is unable to identify the window title. Okay. It is unable to identify the window title due to regular changes done in the properties and values. Okay. Due to regular changes is done in the properties and values of a title, right? So observe, this is one approach, this is one problem, and to resolve this problem, we are using regular expressions. Okay, to resolve this problem, we are using regular expressions. Okay, so what happened here? Okay, so in this situation, why? Because it's keep on changing it. Why? Because here it is observe. If I just open a fax order number 9, fax order number title is 9 only change. Observe, if I just open order 9, so observe here fax order number 9 is changed coming up, right? Means whatever the open order we just did, that fax order number title is displayed. So how to resolve this issue? Okay, how to resolve this issue? It means observe, go to resources, object repository. By using regular expressions, we are going to resolve this issue. Okay? So just open the object repository. Okay, so here fax order number here only, right? So here only we are having issue. So here it is, just click the configured value. Okay, so actually constant value is there, right? So I just remove constant value. I'm using a regular expression, means the period star. Dot star is a syntax for the regular expressions. Okay, here dot star, period star is the syntax for the regular expressions. Okay, dot star, just click on regular expressions. Do you want to add the backslash in which before special characters? No, I don't want to add. So click on OK button. So observe, right now I want to execute it. I want to hit the run button. Just see, slowly it is executing. Okay, just observe. So observe. Are you observing it?
Yes.
Slowly it is executing, right? Last one, order number 9, right? So like this work will be a process. Clear it is? Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
What about regular expressions? Right? So like that we can able to do the work. Okay. Okay. So now last topic in QTP we are going to discuss, that is recovery scenarios. Recovery scenarios means what? How the working is process, everything I will explain you clearly. Okay. So for example, recovery scenarios means what is observed. During the execution time of QTP may face some problematic situation. Okay. So during the execution time of QTP may face some problematic situations where it need to be resolved by itself by using trigger events. Okay. So the problematic situations are like below. What are those means? Observe. Problem related to the pop-up window. Okay. Second one is problem related to the object state, problem related to the test runner error, problem related to the application crash. Right? So we are going to discuss each and every step. Like, first of all, what is the problem related to the pop-up window? So how to resolve it? Okay. We are going to discuss, right? Is it clear? Is it clear, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the each and everything, like for what is the problem related to the pop-up window, how to resolve it. Okay. So observe here. So I'm going to record. Go to file. I want to open it. Orders. So here I want to open a list of orders. So that what we are doing parameterization, right or not? If you want to open a list of orders, you need to place that orders. Okay, like what? So like I want to display. Okay. So go to do parameterization, data driven, right? Orders numbers only I want to parameterize. Parameterize all, parameterize option. Click on OK button. After that, click on finish. So, okay. Observe. Right now, when I hit the run button, this is what happens. So, observe here. Anyways, order number, this one is not exist. Of course, order number is not exist, okay, but what about the remaining ones? Remaining also we having some order number. Whether it is exist or not, we don't know, right? But actually what happened because of this pop-up window, we find some issue. Total execution will stop, right or not? It says object is disabled, right or not? Okay. So because of the pop-up window, we find the issue, right? So how to resolve it? Okay, we are going to discuss how to resolve it. Please observe. Go to resources, just click on Recovery Scenario Manager. Okay. So here, if you want to open a new one, how means here it is the option, new scenario. Okay. Next, welcome to the Recovery Scenario Wizard. So here it is what is asking me to continue. Click next, right? Yes. Here you need to choose the trigger event. Like what is the problem over there? So here the problem is a pop-up window, right? Like the window pops up in an opened application during the test run, right or no? Okay, so here it is the problem with the pop-up window. Here window is pop-ups during the execution, right? So click on next button. Subway, it is asking me to capture the window title, right? So by using hand icon, I'm going to capture in the window title. Next, next. I want to click on which operation you want. So here, if you want to call a restart Microsoft Windows, no. Function call, no. Close application process, no. So here, what I want to call it is observe. I want to simply click on OK button, then click on cancel button. It means some keyboard and mouse operation I want to do, right?
Yeah.
Right or not? So that I just selected this one, keyboard and mouse operation, click on next. So here, by using this hand icon, which operation you want to do? I want to click on OK button. Right? It was just capture, right? So after I just click on OK button, after that what I want to do, I want to click on cancel, right? So here it is asking me to, do you want to add any other recovery scenarios? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, right or no? I want to add it because you are doing something, right? So yes, check this one, click on next one. Okay, same keyboard and mouse operation I want to do. So by using hand icon, I'm going to okay, next. So, do you want to add any other recovery scenario operation? No, I don't want. It's enough, right? Then next, click on next button. So here, do you want to repeat current step and continue? No, right? So proceed to the next step. I want to proceed to the next step. What happened with the next step, right? So I just selected that one and click on next one. So here it is asking me to save the scenario. Okay. So add scenario to the current test. Okay, just click on that one. Finish. So before closing it, it is asking me to save. Finish. So observe, sorry guys. Okay. Right now I'm hitting the run button. Order number 2, 3, 4, 5. So observe, slowly it is going to the recovery scenario operations and it is going to be executed. Just observe. Right, observe. Is it executed or not? Sorry. Again I am hitting the run button, just observe. Slowly it is going to recovery scenario operations. It is executing those ones, right? So like that work will be processed, right or not? Further execution is continuous. So that is what about recovery scenario operation. So tomorrow we are going to discuss about the remaining concepts.
Quick
Okay?
question, Sirisha.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Now we resolved this problem, the pop-up problem, right?
Yes.
But would it record elsewhere? Like what was that error message, or we would have to
Yeah, anyways, warning is coming up.
okay.
Okay? Warning is coming up. By seeing that one, we can able to execute. Okay?
But that's the only time though, right?
Yes. What?
Would that be the only time though? No place else.
I didn't get you, Rupali.
The first time when you hit the run button and when that pops up, that is the only time, and that's when we would have to note that error, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Bye bye.
Are you going to do the
Yeah. Okay. Just give me a few minutes. Okay. I'll back and I'll do
Sure,
something.
I'm
Okay.
right here.
Remain, guys. Bye bye. Thank you so much.
Bye,
Bye-bye,
Sirisha.
Good
Sirsa.
night.
Bye.
Good night. Bye, Sirisha.
Aarti. Aarti.
Yes, Sirisha.
Aarti. Tomorrow. Tomorrow.
1 p.m., right?
Afternoon time, 1 o'clock. Yes, exactly. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay. Bye. Thank you.